Hello everyone, in this video, let's explore the area and perimeter of basic shapes. Understanding these concepts is essential, especially when tackling home improvement or gardening projects. We'll cover rectangles, circles, and triangles, providing you with the formulas you need to calculate their area and perimeter accurately. Let's start with rectangles. The area of a rectangle is found by multiplying its length by its width. The formula is area equals length times width. This tells us the amount of space inside the rectangle. Now let's talk about the perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter is the total distance around the rectangle. The formula is perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. Essentially, you're adding up the lengths of all 4 sides. Moving on to circles. The area of a circle is calculated using the formula area equals pi times r squared. Here, r represents the radius of the circle, which is the distance from the center to any point on the circle's edge. Pi is approximately equal to 3.14159. So, you square the radius and multiply it by pi to get the area. Let's find out the circumference of a circle. The circumference is the distance around the circle. The formula is circumference equals 2 times pi times r, where r is the radius. This calculation gives you the total length around the circle. Now let's explore triangles. The area of a triangle can be found using the formula area equals 1/2 times base times height. The base is the length of one side of the triangle, and the height is the perpendicular distance from the base to the opposite vertex or corner. Multiply the base by the height and then divide by 2 to get the area. To determine the perimeter of a triangle, you simply add up the lengths of all 3 sides. The formula is perimeter equals a plus b plus c, where a, b, and c are the lengths of the 3 sides of the triangle. This gives you the total distance around the triangle. Here is a quick summary of all the formulas. For a rectangle, area equals length times width, and perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. For a circle, area equals pi times r squared, and circumference equals 2 times pi times r. For a triangle, area equals 1/2 times base times height, and perimeter equals a plus b plus c. Remember to measure twice and calculate once for perfect project planning. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.